Imagine a prosperous community full of life and opportunities being reduced to ashes overnight. The Tulsa Race Massacre of 1921 is one of the most tragic and often overlooked events in American history. Join us as we uncover the untold stories of Black Wall Street and the devastating impact of this dark chapter in our past. Greenwood, also known as Black Wall Street, was a thriving African American community in Tulsa, Oklahoma. In the early 20th century, this area was home to doctors, lawyers, entrepreneurs, and educators who built a self-sufficient and flourishing neighborhood despite the pervasive racism of the time. Greenwood's success attracted admiration as well as envy from the surrounding white community. It's important to recognize the vibrant life that defined Greenwood before the massacre. Children playing in the streets, families attending church services, and businesses buzzing with activity. This was not just a community, it was a symbol of hope and perseverance. On May 30, 1921, an incident involving a young African-American man, Dick Rowland, and a white woman, Sarah Page, sparked a chain of events that would lead to unimaginable violence. Rowland was accused of assaulting Page, and although the charges were later dismissed, the damage had been done. Newspapers sensationalized the incident, leading to heightened tensions and calls for Rowland's lynching. This was a time of profound racial tensions in America, and Tulsa was no exception. The media played a significant role in escalating the situation, with inflammatory headlines that stoked the fires of racial hatred. On the night of May 31, 1921, and into the early hours of June 1st, white mobs descended upon Greenwood. Armed and enraged, they set fire to homes and businesses and indiscriminately attacked residents. The once thriving community was turned into a war zone. The violence lasted for hours, with reports of airplanes dropping incendiary bombs on the neighborhood. Eyewitnesses recounted scenes of chaos and terror as residents fled for their lives. Imagine the horror of waking up to the sound of gunfire and the sight of flames engulfing your home. Families were torn apart and lives were irreversibly changed. The destruction was so thorough that it left thousands of African Americans homeless, and the economic heart of the community had been destroyed. The scale of the devastation was immense, and the response was inadequate, with little to no immediate assistance provided to the survivors. In the immediate aftermath, the survivors of the massacre faced immense challenges. Many were detained in internment camps, and those who were released found their homes and businesses reduced to rubble. The community of Greenwood, once a symbol of black prosperity, was left in ruins. The broader American society, including the media and government officials, largely ignored or downplayed the massacre. Efforts to seek justice and reparations were met with resistance, and the memory of the massacre was suppressed for decades. For many years, the story of the Tulsa Race Massacre was buried, a dark secret that few dared to confront. Yet, the resilience of the Greenwood community and the ongoing efforts to remember and honor the victims have brought this story back to light. In recent years, there has been a renewed focus on acknowledging the Tulsa Race Massacre and its impact. Memorials have been established, documentaries and educational programs have been created, and ongoing efforts for justice and reparations continue. The survivors and their descendants have fought tirelessly to ensure that the victims are remembered and that the lessons of these tragedies are learned. By acknowledging and learning from this tragedy, we can strive towards a more just and equitable society. The Tulsa Race Massacre serves as a stark reminder of the racial violence and systemic injustice that have marred American history. It also highlights the strength and resilience of the African American community in the face of unimaginable adversity. As we remember the victims and honor their legacy, we are reminded of the importance of confronting and addressing the deep-seated racial inequalities that persist to this day. Let's honor the resilience of the Greenwood community and commit to building a future free from hatred and discrimination. Join us in this journey of remembrance and learning, and together, let's ensure that the lessons of the Tulsa Race Massacre are never forgotten. We must continue to educate ourselves and others about this dark chapter in American history to prevent such atrocities from ever happening again. The story of Greenwood is not just a story of tragedy. It is a story of resilience, of a community that rose from the ashes and continues to fight for justice and recognition.